For the last few months, Kartik Aaryan's name is all over the news, and every time it is not for a good reason. It seems like Kartik Aaryan is on a spree of losing big projects in a short span of time. Is Kartik's Bollywood career going to get over before it reaches its pinnacle? Last month, Dharma Productions shared the news with everyone that they have dropped Kartik from their project Dostana 2. The reason showed by the production house was Kartik Aaryan's unprofessional behavior with the makers. Within a few days after the announcement, SRK's Red Chillies Entertainment dropped Kartik from their project Goodbye Freddy. When these two news were already in talks all over the media, Anand L. Rai dropped Kartik from his untitled project. Yes, Kartik got dropped from the 3 projects in a very short span of time. And now the recent reports are suggesting that Kartik might get dropped from 2 other projects too. Well, recently a well-known astrologer has predicted that Kartik's exit from Dostana 2 was not the only bad news. He has revealed that Kartik Aaryan's career graph is quite similar with Sushant Singh's Rajpoots, but that does not mean he will face the same fate. He stated that Kartik has a very fluctuating career graph. One time it is big, another time it is very sudden unprofessional downfall. The astrologer also indicated that during this stage Kartik might go through a state of depression too. Based on the findings of Kartik's face reading, the astrologer has predicted that he might lose some other projects too in near future. He also added that the power lies in Kartik's hand and he could start afresh by taking some time off from the industry. Well, recently Kartik also changed the bio of his Twitter and Instagram account. Previously, the bio was the names of his movies and his characters in those respective films. But now, the actor has changed it to just B.Tech. Is Kartik taking a break from Bollywood or is he leaving acting?